Today for review about what we've been learning so far, we're going to play charades. So what I need you to do is make sure, first of all, that you have the Charades Kids app downloaded on your iPad. You can go to Manager if you do not. Once you click in there, you're going to go to Quick Play on the left. Click that. You're going to click on Custom, and then you're going to go to Add New Deck. And you're going to put the code in. So you'll go to Others, since it's my code. Go to Others right here. And then you're going to click in the code that I'm about to click in. Here we go. It's lowercase h, uppercase D, 9, lowercase d, lowercase s, lowercase I, lowercase o, 6, and lowercase e. Once you do that and you hit return and add it, it will actually automatically add it to your charade game. And obviously I've done it a couple times. You'll click on it and then you'll push play right there. Now, you know, you put it on your forehead and then you're going to have people guess what it is. So Voyager is one of them. That's my only clue I'm going to give you. All right, have fun with this. Be great for the sub. Talk to you later. Bye.